Hi everyone, do you want to show off your rarest team achievements on your profile? In this quick guide, I'll show you exactly how to set it up. So let's get started. To show your rarest achievements, you'll first need to unlock a feature called Featured Showcase. To unlock it, you'll have to reach Steam account level 10. To see your level, go to your profile by clicking your username. Here, you can see your level. One of the various ways to level up is to earn badges by completing Steam community tasks or by just playing games and collecting card drops. Once you are level 10, go to your profile, then go to Edit Profile. Here, click on Featured Showcase. Now, click on this drop down menu and it will show various options. And one of them is Rarest Achievement Showcase. Click on it and it will show you a preview of what it would look like on your profile. Now click on Save. Now go back to your profile and there you have it. Now you can show off your rare achievements you have put your hours in. Thank you for watching and keep following us for more such guides.